So we received yet another question. Hey Michael, what shop plugins does Billwerk Payment support? So we support WooCommerce, we support Magento, we support PrestaShop, we support Dynamic Web, we support Dandomain, we support Shopware, we support WooCommerce, Shopify, Swish payments for Shopify, mobile pay payments for Shopify, forbrugsforening payments for Shopify, P24 payments for Shopify, Ideal payments for Shopify, Drupal, Virtual Mart, PrestaShop Checkout, OpenCart Plugin, OpenCart 2+3, and Ideal Shops. You'll find the updated list if you go into our website and you search for plugins.